What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's your boy Alvin here. I hope you... What?
You evil little shits.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's your boy Alvin here. Hope you're having a great day. So if you recall, about a month ago I filmed a cinematic video of me making a healthy protein smoothie with no added supplements. So no protein powders or anything like that. And that was a pretty popular video and one that I really enjoyed filming. You can click the icon on the top right just check out that video. So today we're going to be following that up with another protein shake video, but this time with added protein. Packed with protein. So this shake primarily caters to moderate to skinny guys looking to bulk or gain muscle mass. So if you're one of those guys, don't worry bro, I got you. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, for this shake you're going to be needing almond milk as the base, 1 ripe banana, the size of my banana.
So funny.
You'll also be needing 1 handful of sliced pineapple and around 1 big handful of blueberries. And we're going to be using 2 biscuit pieces of Weetabix for the extra fiber. 2 big ass scoops of Greek yogurt. Around 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Finally, the big boy, Impact Whey protein from My Protein. Vanilla flavor is what I recommend. The most versatile flavor. Alright, let's get this. And you'll need a bit of ice. If you enjoyed these videos and the editing style, it would mean so much if you could smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. Alright, let's get started with this shake. Hold on. Let's make this a little more interesting. Bon appetit. Yummy.
Yummy.
You think I can have a sip of that?
Be my guest.
I know what a $5 shake tastes like. Alright. God damn, it's a pretty fucking good milkshake.
Please. I know. Hope you guys enjoyed that video and the cinematic take of it. I'm gonna put Hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it useful. I'm gonna put up the total calories in this shot. My hand at the top of the frame. Here. Lower. Yeah. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. I said that already. Do subscribe, smash that like button. Yeah, really guys, I do appreciate you all. Stay massive. That's a weird thing to say. Alright, stay massive.